Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how to make a very basic outfit not so basic. So basically, if you are someone who mostly lives in jeans and t-shirts like me but still wants to add some personality or look a bit more put together, then this video is definitely for you. And trust me, styling doesn't require a lot of money. You don't need to buy expensive clothes or shop every week to look good. Sometimes it's just a belt, a cute bag, and how you wear your basic can completely change the vibe. So these are my personal tips I use literally all the time. Of course, there are lots of advice out there, so do what works for you. And before we dive into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. It means a world to me. It keeps me motivated to keep creating content for you guys. I would love for you to be part of my YouTube family. So the tip number one, always tuck in. Tucking in your top, whether fully or just a French tuck, completely changes the vibe. I used to wear baggy shirts untucked and always felt like something was off. But the moment I started tucking them in, I looked instantly more put together. I remember once I wore the same outfit 2 days in a row, one day untucked and the other day tucked in, and I got so many compliments the other day. If you guys want me to make a separate video on different tucking styles, let me know in the comment section. So, the tip number two is wear comfy heels. You don't need to be very uncomfortable every time to look good. I used to hate heels a lot because I felt that they were very uncomfortable and unnecessary for casual fits. But then I discovered block heels, a total game changer. You can wear them with a basic jeans and kurta combo and basic t-shirts and jeans, and they instantly uplift your outfit and feel so confident and elevated. If you are planning to invest in 2 to 3 heels, I would highly recommend go for the nude tones and transparent heels. Trust me, they literally go with everything from Indian wear to Western outfit, bold prints to pastel nude, and elevate the look without clashing. Okay, tip number third, accessorize thoughtfully. I used to skip accessories completely, but once I started wearing a layered necklace or a chunky earring, it just brought my outfits to life. When it comes to accessorizing, you really don't need to go overboard, just a few key pieces. For example, these small earring I'm wearing right now, I got them from Amazon. For 10 pairs, you need to pay only 250 to 300. They are cute, super wearable, and affordable. I'll give the link in the description box. Worth checking out if you are building your accessory collection on a budget. Tip number four, belt up. Okay, that is funny. For the longest time, I used to thought belt was just for holding up loose pants. But girls, belts are a style statement. Adding a belt to your loose dress or tunic can completely transform your outfit. It defines your waist, adds shape, and instantly makes the outfit to feel more styled and intentional. Okay, here is the tip number five, balance the fit. I used to wear fitted jeans with tight tops and feel super uncomfortable. Then I started pairing fitted tops with loose trousers or oversized shirt with fitted jeans, and it instantly made my outfit looks more intentional and balanced. It's such an easy fix to looks you more stylish and comfortable. So you really need to balance your outfit. If you are wearing a tight top or tight shirt, try it pairing with a loose trouser or wide leg jeans. It creates a nice flow and doesn't make the outfit feel too clingy. Tip number six, iron your clothes. Always iron your clothes. Seriously, don't skip this. Even the most expensive clothes look cheap and unpolished if they are wrinkled. I used to ignore this completely, thinking it's just a basic outfit, who cares? But once I started steaming even my simplest pieces like kurta and t-shirt, it makes a huge difference. Everything suddenly looked more neat, clean, and intentional. It's a small effort that makes a huge difference on your overall appearance. So invest in a good iron. You can even try steam iron. You can buy it in affordable price from Amazon. Okay, the tip number 7 is minimal makeup. Okay, you don't need a full glam makeup every day. Even if you are going casually outside, just put a minimal makeup. I'm suggesting 3 products for the minimal makeup. You don't need to spend a lot. You really need a concealer. You don't need to put foundation on everyday basis, but a little concealer to hide your dark spots, and mascara to make your eyes a little bit beautiful, and a very good product. It's a two-in-one product, lip and cheek tint. A little blush and a lip tint is a total game changer. It really makes you look fresh. So that was just my quick 4-minute makeup routine. Tip number 8, smell good. This might not be visual, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. I always keep a mini perfume or body mist in my bag. Even if you are wearing something very basic, when you walk by and smell amazing, people do notice. One of my friend literally said once, "You smells really expensive," and I was just wearing a 300 rupees body mist from Nykaa. Okay, the last tip and the most important tip, be confident. Confidence is the key. It doesn't matter what you are wearing and how you style that. If you are not feeling enough confident, it will just go unnoticeable. So, even if you are wearing something very expensive and you are not confident about yourself, and you are not owning the outfit, so nobody noticed you. But even if you are wearing just a casual fit and basic, and you are feeling confident about that fit, you will always look amazing. So own the outfit. Your vibe, your energy, your confidence, it what makes you more stylish. And that's it. Those were my 8 personal tips to look stylish instantly. And most of them don't even require buying new clothes. Just a little styling, few accessories, some effort, and a lot of confidence. Let me know in the comments what you are going to try next, or drop your own tip. We all are here to glow up together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little style inspo. Let me know if you want to watch more such video on styling. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay stylish, stay confident, and stay you. Bye.